In this video, I'm going to show you how to create images for your Facebook ad. Let's go. So we're going to go ahead and get logged into canva.com. Now I do have a premium plan, but you can do this on a free plan as well. So what we'll want to do is go ahead and create a Facebook ad sized image. The best way to do that is just go ahead and go to custom size, 180 by 180. So we'll click on that. So now that we've got our blank canvas here, we can get to creating the ad image. So let's go ahead and come over here to photos. And I've already typed in the word house, so they're pulled up. Let's go ahead and select a house. That would be good for our area. Homes in my area can resemble this easily enough. Now there's a couple ways to do this. I'm going to just go ahead and let you know that, of course, this is creative. You can have creative license to do anything you like. I'm just showing you one way that I know works. So let's go ahead and stretch this home image out so that it covers the entire canvas. And then I'll reposition it by clicking and dragging it so that the house is in the picture, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some blocks so that I can have my text pop out, because I'm going to put a little text in here. So I'll click on elements up here and I'll use this square right here. So I can reshape it by simply grabbing that, clicking and dragging the handles. So I'm going to put one up top here. Let's go ahead and get it appropriately sized. And I want to change that color. So I'm going to click into it, click the color tile up here, and then go custom. Now what I can do is I can drag this over. I want to put this into a blue hue, kind of like this, right? And then I'm going to put some text up here. Something that's going to work well to call attention to what it is we're trying to accomplish. So I'm going to go ahead and use the subheadings size, drag it up in there, and then I'm going to change the text by highlighting it, and so I can type in my copy right there, special home buyer program. Now you could just put thinking of buying a home or special home buyer program. You know, you can get creative, like I said. Let's go ahead and make this bigger. And I'm also going to change the color of the text to white. There, that really pops. And the color kind of matches well. Good. Now what I can do is I can click into this box and I can hit the duplicate button. And then just click into it and drag it down here. And then I can also duplicate the text so that I don't have to reformat it. Then I can just drag that down here by clicking and dragging it. Now, we want to say something else down here. So special home buyer program. Let's go low or no. Low or no down payment. Okay, so you can see that I've got the two boxes here that really pop with the contrast. I've got the the information in there, and this would make a good image. Now, if I wanted to, I could click into the box, and I can change the color. If I wanted to make it a more green color to match the grass, I could do that. That's for sure. If I wanted to make it more translucent so that the grass shows through, but you still have that contrast, I could do that. I could do that up here too. See, lots of cool stuff you can do with Canva. Now, if I wanted to, I could also animate this. There's a button up here, animate. So what I can do is I can have it be the rise animation. And what this will do is download as a video format, so I can put it into my ad into Facebook just like an image, but I would be uploading a video. If I wanted to have fade, see, there's lots of different options here in the free. Now these ones with a crown are the ones that indicate that it's premium, so you'd have to have the premium account. But no worries, you don't have to have it be animated either. You can certainly not do that if you want. remove animation. There we go. And there's the animate button if you want to go back to animate. But we can just create a static image like this and use it for the ad as well. So let's go ahead and make sure this text is centered. Perfect. A little line popped up and let me know. So everything's centered and ready to go. Now all I've got to do is title it. Let's do no down payment ad image. And then we just go ahead and hit download. And it's going to download in a PNG format, which is perfect. We'll just go ahead and hit download, and it'll be in our download folder where we can, of course, save it anywhere we want to so we can use it later when we're creating our Facebook ad. So that's how you make really cool custom images using Canva. See you in the next video.